It's inevitable that at some point in your pull systems journey, you will learn about and use many of the techniques used in Lean. Lean is a continuous improvement strategy that a company embarks on to maximize customer value and minimize waste. As you implement Lean principles and techniques in your factories, offices, and systems, you will find that lead times will shorten drastically. In many cases, a pull system will completely eliminate elements of the information side of your value streams. As you implement pull and Lean, you will find that the flow of both materials and information in your organization will change completely, and oftentimes will require workers to relearn how scheduling and planning occurs. As noted in the definition, Lean focuses on the customer. In other words, it is a customer-oriented strategy, and pull systems are a critical piece of Lean. When you pull rather than push, the trigger to produce changes from the arrival of information, materials, and forecasts to the actual receipt of a customer order itself. As implied, this can only be done by removing waste from an organization. Traditionally, companies often think that the customer lead time is the time it takes to deliver a product from the warehouse, and that everything else is not included. This really limits the ability of an organization to remove waste and improve. Instead, customer lead time should be thought of as the entire process from the point that an order is issued to the point that the product or service is complete in the customer's hands. This change in thinking allows a company to look internally at processes and remove forms of muda until they are able to meet the needs of their customers. One of the benefits of Lean is that it reduces inventory. Buffers tend to hide forms of waste and prevent the organization from reaching its peak performance. With this in mind, Lean organizations look to maximize the impact on the two most costly forms of muda: overproduction and inventory waste. Now, before we go, we'd like to ask you a question that you can answer in the community or upcoming assignments section. What is the lead time of your most popular product or service? And how would you shorten the lead time on that product or service? Remember, lead times can change from hours to months, but all lead times can be improved. We'll see you in the next module.